What's up everybody, and welcome back to yet another unboxing video. It's not something considered like a unique alarm. It's something similar to the KN-COSMXTR-B, which I got right here. And here it is. No, this is not an IB or a newer B. This is a KN-COSMXTR-B. It's the so-called intelligent version of the regular B. And yeah, it's been months since I wanted this thing, so I'm pretty happy I have it now. Yeah, let's go ahead and take this out. There we go, I think we're in. There we are. You got the packaging, which I unfortunately just damaged. It's the same mounting bracket as my KN-COSMXTR-B, which is pretty interesting. We got 3 AA batteries, which I'll be using in a moment. Anchors and screws. Got, oh, what's this? The manuals. Another part of the packaging. And last but not least, the alarm itself. 2013 October 12th. Jeez, this is the second alarm that is close to my birthday. Jeez. My goodness. So yeah, I really like this. This is amazing. I'm just gonna see if it fits on the bracket without the battery. Well, batteries, I should say. I don't think it does, but we shall see. And go ahead, I'm just gonna quickly test these batteries, make sure it's still good, because the batteries are relatively old. Yep, batteries are still good according to my battery tester. So let's go ahead and power this on. This is probably gonna have a higher pitched piezo, like on your average XTR-B. Alright, here we go.
Push test button.
Yep, it has a higher pitched piezo and a slightly lower pitched voice. Strange mounting bracket isn't going on. Oh, I'll figure it out at the end of this video. Alright, let's forget about that and let's just push the test button.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
And that's it. And this one seemed a little bit quieter than my KN-COSMXTR-B. But otherwise, it performs nicely. I do like these units. And here's the back of it, just in case anyone wants to see that. And yeah. Let's see if there's a dying sound on this. I might need to use something to yank out the batteries. Yeah, I need something. Yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get a screwdriver to get rid of the batteries. There we go. Gonna take this out. Dying sound. Nope, no dying sound, unfortunately. On my KN-COSMXTR-B, there is a dying sound. If you want to hear it, I'll just go ahead and demonstrate that. Yeah, that's all it does, really. And yeah, I'm very glad with what I have so far. Thank you for watching, and have a great day, everyone.